hanging tree. We send them home, yeah. Boy dead like stray dog. You remember in a the graveyard.
Hi you guys, right now I'm going on the road to get food as usual. So I'm gonna taste it. Stand up at the bus stop waiting on a taxi or a bus, anyone will come first. So yeah, so I'm gonna reach taste this. I'll come back to y'all. Alright? Alright? Yeah. Let's finally reach taste this. So I'm just here waiting for my meal to come. Yeah, somebody just go down here. Yeah, finally get cheese. So I'm about to get a taxi and go back home. Yeah, I hate when they're vlogging and people just hear that and say, why is she talking to the camera, this and that? But who cares? Not me. Guys, you know, I'm not taking them JUTC bus here. I know, so I'm me one day on the bus. I reach home, but I eat my food and start bill. Then Jay, I'm gonna meet him right now. Come give me a link. Yeah. I don't know. I don't really know what the days consist of, but you guys join with me. I'm gonna curl them mash up because in there drizzle, but so you go, yeah, man. So when mom see him, I'm gonna get back to y'all. Yeah, look more you guys. We finally see Jason. Finally. But we're not gonna tear. So I don't know why am I doing it? I'm just gonna hear why am I doing it. So, yeah. Now they can't tell them I.
Yeah, I do it, everybody.
Gosh, come on, not gonna cheat me. A joke. You not, you not cheat me.
Yeah, you go out with them.
No. So I'm gonna either buy KFC or I don't know. But today is Sunday, so I don't know why I'm gonna buy today. But I'm sure about KFC and butter and cheese. So, so I reach a one part up or some part up or the couple part up there, so we'll come back to y'all, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right now, we're at a gazebo because the rain is tearing. Tearing. You see what I'm doing? So we just have to sit down and wait.
What's up?
So, yeah. So, you might be walking in the rain because him say I'm hungry. But we almost reach still, so you better
Walk the rain and I could get sick still.
So, my curl them and wet up and all of them something here, but a friend in the weather, I go. Nothing know, a friend in need is a friend indeed. So, when we reach, we almost reach still. You want to run now?
Alright, forward.
Yeah, run.
That way there.
That way there.
Alright, forward.
So we are run now, drop.
What again?
What?
I can't remember which part it is. Oh.
Straight up there, son. Yeah. Yeah, so you guys, we're just reaching a KFC. Jay.
Yo, yeah, I do it, everybody.
So why am I gonna buy? So I was just there. I'm a curl them fully gone now because of Jay. That's how it go. So we finally get our food.
Then I'm going to do what? Right or wrong what? Oh, right, this one.
Oh, plug. Try to find over there, so you might try to charge him phone. I will eat food and chat. Yeah. Guys, I'm going to cat the fries and cat walk with the bit. Hello, cat. Come here. Not pay me no mind. So finish our KFC and all. I'm waiting on a friend to come. That's if him come. Also talk, I run some joke or whatever. Jam man, you know?
Yeah. Make sure to remember to check out my channel and if you don't want to bust some laugh and thing.
Yes, you guys can check him out.
Oh.
At Jacob. Yes, you guys, right now I'm going home. Jay is going home. So how was your day? Just a normal chill chat day. How was it?
Yeah, alright. Nice. You expect to do some video and them things about Quincy never show up in time.
Yeah. So next time, but otherwise today was good.
Yeah, alright, still. Don't know when Peter Day and J. Cole link up and normal still.
Don't
So you don't know so them vlogger I got the little vibe in them.
Yeah. So I'm gonna reach home and come back to that. Hey you guys, today is a different day and I'm with Kassiv and J. Cool. Remember say Kassiv have one channel. Tell them your channel.
You see me? Say, you see for YouTube, just look for Quincy Media. Instagram is King Cash _. You see?
Yes, Jay, tell them your one.
J_cool, J with 2 Y's, is for Instagram and Snapchat. J with 1 Y _cool with a K1. You see me?
Yeah, be on the lookout for it.
It hot.
Hot. And then we just do one song for future.
Watch it. It hot. It hot like fling a shoulder dance. It hot.
So right now, I'm about to go home and get ready to go on the road. Even though the place is overcast, but I gotta do what I gotta do. Hi you guys, I basically just come on this to end today's vlog. Oh, by the way, I have a comedy skit coming out in my next upload. Be on the lookout for that. Also, I'll be doing post notification shout out. So anybody who comment on my videos first in my next upcoming, like my next vlog, I give you a shout out, post notification shout out. That's why you guys should always turn on your bell so you know, so you can be notified when I post a video or anything. And if you're the first person to comment, I will give you a shout out in my next upload. So yeah, what else I have to tell y'all? Add me, make sure you have me on Snapchat. If you want to talk to me more or get to know me better, add me on Snapchat. Also, yeah, check out J channel and Kassiv channel. Remember that their links are below. You need to check them out, support them, tell them say me send you. And what else? Yeah, that's it. So I just see you guys in my next upload. Remember to like, share and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.